In this video, I'm going to show you and walk you through how to use design mockups. Don't miss it. As a graphic designer, we have to present our projects to clients. We have to convince them that our proposal really fits their needs, and that the proposal includes everything they asked for in the brief, so they can give us their approval. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up your mockups and how to add your own designs to the mockup. And I'm going to tell you the 2 websites where you can find and download your very own mockups that you can use for your portfolio or to show your clients what a finished design will look like printed. Let's get started with the lesson. First things first, you need to design the graphic that you're going to be putting on the mockups. Then once you have that, highlight, Command C for copy. If you're an Apple user, then you need to go into Photoshop. And this is the mockup I've previously downloaded. Then you need to find the editable layer where you can incorporate your own design. Then here, if you're an Apple user, Command V for paste. I'm going to keep it at Smart Object. Then hold down the keys Command Shift as you resize the vector so it doesn't get distorted. Then realign it. And then enter. Then to apply it to your mockup, you hold Command S. Press OK. Then you go back to your mockup. And there it is. And now if you ever have issues where it doesn't fit correctly, you can go back in and rearrange it to your liking. Or you can downsize it. You can do whatever you want with it. You just have to press Command S to reapply it. And if you have issues with the glares, you don't like how it looks, you can always go in to the effects. You can always change things and make it more pleasing to you. Well, that's how BDesign designs all our mockups for client approvals and for our portfolios. Now let's take a look at where you can find your very own mockups and download them for your own personal use. The first website we're going to take a look at where you can get your very own mockups to use is freepik.com. All you have to do is go in here and look up mockups. Then you have many mockups that you can choose from to use. BDesign's done a previous video on how to use and download files from freepik.com, and I'll be sure to link that down in the description below. Then the other website where you can download mockups is yellowimages.com. Now yellowimages.com is primarily for mockups and downloading mockups. And this website is not free. Every mockup on this website does cost. Where freepik.com, you have an option. These are free, but the ones with the crown up in the left-hand corner, those are premium, which do cost. But if you use yellow images, if you sign up for an account, most of the mockups should be no more than $2. Otherwise, if you don't sign up for an account, one mockup could be starting at $15 a piece. But these mockups come with a lot more than the freepik.com mockups, because it comes with all these different views of that one mockup. If you got value from this video and you would like more videos like this, comment your video ideas down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find more content like this. And don't forget, if you dream it, we at BDesign can help you design it. See you next week. Bye.